Here we have a 2014 Mercedes GL550. If you're looking to replace the sway bar link on the front, once you get the tire off, it's really easy to get at everything. It's a 18 millimeter nut up top and a bolt on the bottom. So you can see they've got one connection up here, and then if you look down, there's another one right at the bottom here. Both are the same size, both for the bolt and the nut. Be careful when you take these off because there can be tension on this, so use caution when you are replacing these links. But it's a very straightforward job, you know, just besides taking the tire off, which you don't really have to, but I really recommend because it leaves a lot more room getting, especially at the top there. So once you have the tire off, it's just an easy nut and bolt. Like I said, 18 millimeter. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them below. Otherwise, I hope this video is helpful. Good luck with your project, guys, and have a great day.